FT3 Precision Thickness Gauge. Accurate and repeatable thickness measurements. Compliant to multiple standards. Choice of configuration. Applications: carton board, film, flexible packaging, flooring, paper and carton board, tape, textile, tissue. The Hanatek FT3 Precision Thickness Gauge quickly and precisely measures the thickness of a variety of materials. Accurate and repeatable thickness measurements can improve product quality whilst controlling the costs associated with raw material usage. The accuracy of thickness measurement is determined by several key operating factors: measurement parameters, test parameters, momentum and profile of measurement head, measurement pressure, measurement dwell time, physical test parameters can be factory configured according to international standards or customer requirements. The instrument is operated via an integral touchscreen and features different measurement modes. Instrument: accuracy, linearity, calibration. The instrument is linearized throughout its measurement range using a multi-point calibration. Flatness and parallelism of measurement area. Flatness of measurement head and anvil less than 0.2 microns. Typical parallelism less than 1 micron. Recording of results. Full statistical analysis can be printed to an optional label printer. Operator: sample handling and measurement technique. User-defined routines or the optional foot switch being hands-free operation for easy sample manipulation. External effects. Temperature. Temperature stability circuitry ensures the instrument electronics reach optimum conditions before testing. Defined parameters. Uptime. This parameter allows the user to manipulate samples in between measurements between 1 to 10 seconds. Speed of measurement. The speed of the measurement head is especially important when measuring deformable materials and can be set between 1 and 5 mm per second. Dwell and downtime. The dwell time determines the settling time of the measuring head on compressible materials between 1 and 15 seconds. Test types. Standard test. Full statistical analysis of up to 500 readings. Batch test. Calculates the thickness difference between two measurement sets used to assess the thickness of coatings, adhesives, or sample batches. Standard tear test. Automatically tears the instrument before each test using user-defined conditions. Pass-fail test. Measures the thickness of the material with a user-defined pass and fail tolerance percentage. Data transfer. Measurements made using the FT3 thickness gauge can be exported to Microsoft Excel via interface software. All measured and calculated parameters are transferred along with the date and timestamp, instrument serial number, and calibration date. Sample Excel sheets available on request. Available configurations. FT3 standard instrument. Fixed pressure, factory configured to meet a single test standard or specification of your choice. Option: FT320, as per FT3 but with extended 19mm measuring range. FT3V, variable instrument. Test pressure is varied by adding additional weights to the instrument platform. Factory configured single measurement head size. One external weight is included to achieve compliance to a second measurement standard or assess material compressibility. Additional external weights can be applied to increase measurement pressure up to 4 kilos total. Option: FT3 V20, as per FT3V, but with 19mm measuring range. FT3U, ultra-high precision instrument. Fixed pressure configured to meet ISO 4593 low downforce. Enhanced resolution of 0.01 micron for applications requiring ultra-high precision. Measurement head, 25.5mm radius domed. Custom radius domed heads available on request. ISO 4593 standard of compliance. FT3V Lab, laboratory instrument. Test pressure is varied by adding extra weights to the instrument platform or changing the size of the measurement head. 2 external weights and 1 additional measuring head included to achieve compliance to multiple standards or customer specifications. Note: this product is suitable for use by test and calibration laboratories only, as full recalibration is required between measurement head changes. Option: FT3 V20 Lab, as per FT3V Lab, but with 19mm measuring range. Accessories: all Hanatek FT3 gauges are supplied with 2mm and 500 micron checking gauges. Optional accessories: results printer, simple reporting of results which can be attached to retained samples, data transfer software, foot switch, additional weights.